We are going to take a look at this Kwikset SmartKey Keypad, rekeying and removing this cylinder without any current keys. So you don't really need to worry about taking off anything here. It's pretty much exactly the same process as removing the regular deadbolt. So you take out that C-ring. I usually just use a little flathead to jiggle it out. You can push it off each side. You don't need like a C-ring remover or anything. Be careful not to bend it, like when it's difficult like this. Really tempting to just rip it out, but you'll end up bending it, and you don't want to do that, because if we don't have any extra, or you don't have any extra, then you're screwed. Okay, so I just bent that, and I'm just going to show you. Wow, that thing is really stuck. That's crazy. This is happening on camera. This has never happened to me before. Once you get it off. Okay, so this thing is off, and it is very bent. You probably could bend it back, but you want to avoid doing stuff like that. Alright, now you should just be able to pop out that cylinder, just like so. Same process. Stick it in, make sure that it matches right there. Twist it. Insert your SmartKey reset tool. Insert your key. You might have to push out the cylinder from the back. Push the cylinder out. Turn, and you're all set. Remember, if you're stuck and it's like this and you're trying to remove the key, just slow down. Make sure you can see that sidebar. Make sure you can see those wafers. Make sure this part right here is right in line with the top of the key. And then you should just be able to remove it. Then you'll just insert that cylinder back in and take your non-bent tailpiece and slide it back in. And then you're done.